Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Gerald Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's video tip is about developmental delays. What are they? Well, typically what happens is as your baby is growing, you tend to notice when they do certain things. You'll notice when they turn over onto their back. You'll notice when they begin to crawl. You'll notice when they begin to stand. You'll notice when they begin to talk. All of those things are known as developmental milestones. Why is it important for you to know about developmental delays? Because if your child has suffered some type of developmental delay in reaching certain milestones, it may be an indicator that something may have occurred during the course of your delivery that possibly contributed to their delay. Many doctors who are asked questions about why a baby has developmental delays, the pediatrician especially, does not like to raise the possibility that something could have occurred during the course of your labor and delivery that may have contributed or caused to your child's developmental problems. So what do you do in that instance? The problem is most of these doctors are not going to turn around and point a finger at an obstetrician or anybody else that they feel may have been responsible for your child's problems. So they're going to brush it off and tell you, look, let's concentrate on what we can do for the baby now. We can't worry and do anything to change the outcome from what happened in the past. Let's focus on the future. So when you have questions about whether or not a doctor or hospital contributed to causing your child's developmental delays, you need to go to an experienced medical malpractice attorney who can obtain your medical records and have them reviewed by a medical expert, including an OBGYN, a neonatologist, as well as a pediatric neurologist to determine whether or not your child's problems are a result of improper medical care and treatment that you received during the course of your labor and delivery. And that's it for today's video tip. If you have questions about your child's developmental delays, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. Call me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerald Oginski. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.